Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahsan and today I'm going to tell you what you can use in place of just saying I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. In place of this phrase, you can use 12 natural English phrases that look absolutely natural. So depending on the real life situations. For example, if the situation is someone is asking you, is Sarah coming today? You can say, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if she is coming today. Or you can say, I'm not really sure. It looks more modern English kind of phrase, like I'm not really sure. Okay, the second thing is if someone asks you, where is he going? Or where is Ali going? You can say, I have no idea about it. I have no idea. Instead of saying, I don't know, you can say, I have no idea. Okay, if someone is asking you, is this the correct address? You can say, I'm not certain. Like, I don't know the address. You can say, I'm not certain. Okay. Next is, I'm not familiar with that. Where can you use that? If someone asks you, have you heard about this restaurant? You can say, no, I'm not familiar with that. Okay, if someone is telling you something new kind of news like we are shifting the office next month, you can say, I haven't heard about that. Like किसी ने मुझे तो नहीं बताया kind of thing. I haven't heard about it. या मैंने तो नहीं सुना. And this one is I never knew that. कि मुझे तो नहीं पता था. I never knew that. Like, we are moving the office next month. Oh, I never knew that. Okay, if someone asks you that, are we meeting on this Friday? You can say, I'll have to check. Or let me check. Okay? Okay, and if sometimes you want to give the answer, but you don't know the answer, at that time, you can use that, I'll get back to you. Instead of saying, I don't know, you can say, I'll get back to you, or I'll tell you, or let me check, then I will tell you. And yes, this is very nice. It is like, I wish I knew. I wish I knew. Like, I wish कि मुझे पता होता, but I don't know. Okay? Okay, you can say that I don't know either. Like, आपको नहीं पता तो मुझे भी नहीं पता. I don't know either. Like, मुझे भी नहीं पता. Or you can say, I'm still figuring it out. Like, मैं भी इसको पता करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I'm still figuring it out. Okay, let's repeat all these phrases and repeat after me. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. I have no idea. Or another one is, I have no clue about it. I'm not certain. I'm not familiar with that. I haven't heard about that. I never knew that. I'll have to check. I'll get back to you. I wish I knew. I don't know either. I'm still figuring it out. Okay, don't just learn English, use it. Use it in your everyday conversations. And if you want to see me again, then please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.